Hey, it's Ryan with Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you to replace the motor rotor on the Samsung washer. Need a couple different tools for the job. We'll leave those listed in the description below. Let's get started. The motor rotor, along with the stator and hall sensor, make up the drive motor that agitates and spins the washer. When this part fails, it may cause a 3E error code, or the washer may not spin or agitate properly. For this repair, disconnect power and water supply to the washer. The motor rotor is located on the bottom of the washing machine, so you'll need room to tip it on its back. Before tipping it, make sure that all the water is drained and tape the lid closed. With the machine tipped on its back, the motor rotor is located here. First, using a 10mm socket, remove these two bolts on the support bar. Then, push on the left side of the support bar to release it from the locking tab, pull it towards you, and remove the other side. Next, firmly grasp the rotor and stator together to prevent it from rotating while using a 17mm socket to remove this nut and washers. If you're having trouble removing the nut, try using an impact wrench. Now, pull the motor rotor off of the shaft. If this piece from the clutch is stuck onto the rotor, you'll need to remove it and transfer it back onto the clutch. With the rotor removed, visually inspect it for any cracked, damaged, or missing magnets, and that the splines are not stripped out. If you're seeing any wear on the magnets or stator, something may be out of alignment, which is usually caused by a bad clutch. If you need a new motor rotor, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you're searching with the model number from the tag on your washer to make sure you get the correct part. Align the rotor assembly on the shaft and press in place. You may need to rotate it slightly to align properly. Then install the two washers, followed by the nut, and tighten down. Next, align the right side of the support bar to the retainer, pivot, align the left, and reinstall the two bolts. Start them by hand to avoid cross-threading and make sure not to over-tighten. With everything put back together, test the washer out to make sure that everything's working properly. So that's it for this video. If you have any tips or tricks of your own, let us know in the comments below. And if you like fixing things, please consider subscribing.